Alrighty guys, welcome back, man. I'm gonna try this store, right? Oh, they're not even freaking open. Damn. Oh. Alright guys, I'm gonna try O'Reilly, guys. The last parts I got was from Advanced. I'm up to plan C, guys, trying to figure out how to get this exhaust to shut up. Now, the dilemma I'm having, guys, is real simple. I just got to get it to angle because that exhaust, y'all know it hangs a hard left, right? So it come out of the muffler and it hangs a left turn. So what I need is what I need is something that will allow me to turn. Okay, not much, and I think I'm gonna get 2 inches or 2 1/4, something like that, because I don't know exactly what size I need. See, something like this, but this for like the end of a tailpipe, guys. Let me see. All right, now they have. I was told they have right like this. This stuff here turns. Yeah. Flexible exhaust repair kit. Alright, so I'm gonna keep some of that stuff I got from Advanced, but I'm gonna need this. The only problem is I don't know what see, it's the same stuff I got from Advanced. I don't know I think it's 2 inches or 2 1/4. 2 1/4. Which one is this? I'll probably ask them when I get to the counter how thick is the muffler pipe. What is this? Ooh, that's too small. 1 inch. So I might need a 2 inch or 2 1/4. See if they got some in the back. So my buddy advised me to come to where we at? O'Reilly's. Yes, O'Reilly's. Now I'm gonna keep the same hangers. This might be it, right? Yeah, I'm gonna get this. Let's see. So I didn't open this, guys. This is already open. Yes, you can. You can, in fact. Okay. It's flexible. It bends. Exactly what I need. All right. I'm gonna get that 2 1/4, and I think I'm gonna get a 2 because the real cool thing about these places, they'll let you bring it back if it's not the right size, or if you don't need it. In other words, just don't use it. I mean, that makes sense. Don't use it if you don't need it. So I'm gonna try not to even open it if I ain't gonna. But this is what I got before, and this didn't work simply because it makes a turn. All right, so I'm gonna get some of this to go around the edges of it. Oh, they got some more exhaust. These just tips that go around it. All right, guys, that's what I'm gonna get. Let me go to the counter. Let's get it. All right, guys. Let's go back to the shop and see if I can get Plan C to work. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, here we go. This is where we left off. As y'all can see, where it split. Remember when I said come out of here and then it curved just a little bit. So those are actually too long. So I'm gonna have to cut maybe a 1/4 out of there, off of there, and I'm gonna try to connect right here at the base of the muffler. I hope I can get this to work, guys. I'm really trying to avoid spending $1,500. It's no problem. Only thing, it broke right before the muffler. Okay, so if it had broke after the muffler, it wouldn't be loud. So as long as it's like this, it's gonna make noise. $1,500, I don't think so. We'll find some kind of way, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we are up to plan C. That's right, this is my the 300 with the exhaust leaks. Remember the last time we inspected it, found out that exhaust actually curved a little bit. So what I went and grabbed was some 2-inch and 2 1/4 inch extension flexible repair kit, and we're gonna see how this work. Okay guys, y'all wish me luck, because trying to avoid spending $1,500 for that left side exhaust muffler kit. All right, I do not want to spend that kind of money, so let's let this up in the air and find out what we can get done, guys. Stay tuned. All right guys, update. Okay, I went ahead on and cut right here to make this flush. So what I end up doing, because this obviously changed size when it leaves the cats, it's probably 2.5 down to a 2 on the muffler. So wow, I had to go and get some more swivel. I had to get a bigger size flexible extender. So I'm gonna put a little piece right here to hold the muffler. Y'all see how much room I got on the muffler, and I'm gonna put this over that so I can just grab on this. All right, we'll see guys. All right, well, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, I think I just about dodged a bullet, guys. What do y'all think? Didn't miss a beat. I think I cut this just the right length. As you saw, this is covered over 2 1/4 flex. Okay, so yeah, I think I got a pretty good bite right here. I'll tighten these down pretty snug. So when I start it up, there shouldn't be any exhaust leak whatsoever. Got this one on here. I want it to be nice and snug. Remember guys, I only had a piece of exhaust manifold right here, so I don't want to squeeze in the wrong spot. Alright. And y'all know what happens when exhaust, it's just, a muffler is merely designed to quiet the exhaust system down. Okay, so it has no bearing on performance, in my opinion. I mean, I could be wrong, no physics, but yeah, but it still needs to be connected. If it was my car, I would have left it like that. I was enjoying that little sound. But females don't like it. Sound like a regular car to them. Okay guys, I'm done. That's all I have. I'm gonna start it up, and that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching. Well, I'll let y'all hear the firing up. It should be quiet as a mouse, guys. Stay tuned.